My mother is a big fan of ginger. She eats candied ginger as a snack, loves spicy ginger alish. One of her favorites is spicy enough that it is marketed more as a mixer than as a drink in its own right, and back when she was young she was known for her love of ginger brandy liqueur. These days, ginger brandy has apparently grown hard to find in the area I grew up in. As such, she makes a point of trying to find a bottle when she comes to visit. Well, last weekend was one of those visits. We were at Total Wine when she stopped to see what they had. They had exactly one, and the guy that was working stopped her from putting it in the cart with the unsolicited advice, "I can't let you buy that. It tastes like hand sanitizer." So he took the time to listen to what she was looking for and pointed her to Stone's original ginger wine. Now I also like ginger, not quite to the same extent as my mother, but it is high on the list of flavors that I enjoy. So as we were in the ginger section of Total Wine's liqueur section, I took the opportunity to grab a bottle of Domaine de Canton ginger liqueur. I'd noticed it way back when I started writing about spirits and then pretty much forgot about it for a decade or more. But when in Rome, as they say. So hang on, folks. We are stepping out of our normal comfort zone tonight. Let's look at a couple of alcoholic ginger drinks. Stone's original ginger. We might as well try the one that was recommended first. From what I can tell online, Stone's original ginger is a fortified wine made of grape wine, neutral spirits, and ginger. It claims to be a product of England, but the company's website is Australian. Not sure what is going on there, but I'm not thinking too hard about it. There are drinks to be consumed.